Our able governor, Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, Chalamamba for. I wetakwala information again waiting I won't make I drop here. As you don't continue to visit some ministry, some agencies, and some civil servant offices. Do you understand me? Unscheduled visit, or will I call it uninvited visit or surprise visit, where you don't start to pay them. It good like that. But we go like make you continue this kind of visit. Do you understand me? Because in Anambra State or even in Nigeria as a whole, we still have a lot of unserious, people in the office. But let us talk about Anambra State here. Do you understand me? A lot of us now don't come up with some risks and they say make I put them for social media. Do you understand? So our able governor, we would also like you to visit our state hospitals. Yes, because for you visiting our state hospital, now that place you go know say a lot of our state hospitals are nothing to write home about in Anambra State. Because sometimes some state hospitals, when you come there, doctor no go there, nurses no go there. Do you understand me? And some of them are receiving salary. You understand? We also like you to visit our local government secretariat. A lot of offices are there empty, but people are receiving salary. Sometimes if you go to our local government secretariat to do one or two things, the person in charge of what you want to do will start telling you the day he will be in office. We would also like you to also visit a pay on unscheduled visit to all these our security people, all these vigilante now. Agunechem Bandudogachi, all of them, pay them uninvited visit. So you will see some certain things where things are getting out of hand. Another one is our primary and secondary school. Keep paying them, uninvited and unscheduled visit. Then you will understand what I'm saying. You see all these local government here, secretariat, our state hospital, our primary school and secondary school, and some Anambra state agencies, and some civil servant offices. So many of them are not serious with their job. And another thing why I want to tell you, as you continue this thing now where you don't start, please upgrade their wages, because some of them are complaining. They are receiving low wages. They are not receiving enough money to take care of their need. Ihe ị na-eme kịta amara ezigbo mma. Onye dịka Madam Happy n'ihe nna afụ na Anambra steeti, gị nwa bụ gọvanọ of Anambra steeti na-eme. Ana kpatara mma ahụ pụta kịta ana m ekwu ile gị, especially ka isi were secure ndị Anambra. Onwezi onye a na-agbagbu, onwezi onye a na-akwatu. All the criminals na-edebe alụ na na fight for freedom enyego for ọsọ. I'm happy and glad about it. But if nke a kịta startịrị, adịkwa m happy. Because onye achọrọ ịrụ ọrụ should stay clear. Let people who are serious, engage with work. Ị na-aghọta? Alakịrị m ihe anyị na-eme, but please, pay all this ministry, all these offices, uninvited visit. Especially our hospital, state hospital, our, state schools, primary school and secondary school. Some primary school enwero ceiling. Some of them onwe ndị mmiri na-ama. Ịghọtago? Sometime amalụ m nọ ndị dị in charge na-enyekwa ha ego ka fa lụọ ife afa ya arụ ya, because once you start moving around, governor, you will understand this thing m na-ekwu ebe a. Because in what I'm seeing, amago m that na this year second tenure ga-adị better than the past, the 4 years gara aga. Ịghọtago? Onye adịrọ serious ya adịrọ serious with ọrụ ya should get out of the office. Ka achọ ndị dị serious tinye n'office. Because you will not be receiving salary, but you will not be working. Ada akụda akụkọ afọ akọ. But anọkwa m arụtụ aka si gbaa mbọ mara ife emewu ji si ndị civil servant, all this ministry gasị na-arụrụ ndị gọọmenti ọrụ, all the agencies, try and know what you will do about their salary, upgrade their wages, especially our vigilantes. so they will not be messing up around and disgracing the state.